So at this point, we've downloaded a copy of our Grade Centre that's available as an Excel file. We have created and then saved an archive of our course just in case something ever goes wrong. We can always get our data back. The final thing to do is to recycle your course. So what you've got to do is go down to Packages and Utilities again, and this time click Bulk Delete. Now chances are you probably don't want to check any of the material in section 1 here. Basically anything we tick we want to delete. So because this is basically my content areas, I'm going to say just keep it as is, thank you very much. So I'm going to scroll down to section 2, and here are some things I definitely want to delete. I want to check things here that were relevant for this year, but I want to start right from the very beginning again from next year. So I don't need this year's announcements next year. I want to get rid of all the users in the course as well, otherwise we're going to have a double up on users. If you've used things like groups, discussion boards, that kind of thing, get rid of those perhaps. I'm going to keep the tests though. I don't want to have to redo all those. My assessment's going to be pretty similar to next year as it was this year, so I'm going to keep my Grade Centre columns as well. Likewise, I'm going to keep things like the glossary, but I'm going to get rid of my blogs, my journals, and my messages. So just remember, if you tick something here, it means delete. If you don't tick it, it means it'll just remain on your Blackboard course as is. Finally, all you have to do is type delete in the box provided and then hit submit. That will actually delete and completely remove all of those things that you've just ticked.